Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is that time of the month where I am going to share my monthly favorite. So this is a new series that I planned to start from this year where I'm going to share everything that I loved each month. So for example, I'm going to share skincare, body care, hair care, makeup, any favorite moment or any accessories or gadget, anything that I have discovered and loved, so that it helps you also and you can also get your hands on it. I would love to hear your favorite discovery or something that you've been loving in January. Just drop that in the comment section below and I would love to hear it. And let's get started with today's video. Well, the number one category is skincare for sure. What else would I start this video with? So, the product that I've been loving lately is by Chic Nutrix, and this is something how it looks. By the way, this has niacinamide, alpha butane, glutathione, and vitamin C. If you are someone who don't want to do like a straight 10-step routine in your skincare, you can actually grab your hands on this. The best thing about this product is it is made in Korea, but it is actually crafted for Indian skin type. Isn't that great? I've been traveling and I've just been using this single product, and I'm amazed on how it actually helped me fade the pigments that is there around my mouth, and I'm so happy about it. If you actually see, I have used like more than a bottle of this, so you can understand how much I love this product. And honestly, when I saw this product, I was like, it is going to be sticky on how it looks. But when I actually tried it, it was so lightweight and it actually absorbed on my skin very beautifully. So, yeah, this is how it looks. I am super amazed with this product and I would highly recommend it. So, the next category is hair care. Now, I've already spoken that I only used shampoos and no conditioner or no mask, but I thought, why not try a mask? And I've already spoken about this in the December video when I did like a Nika haul, that I got my hands on one product which a lot of people were raving about, and this is by Love Beauty and Planet, and this is the argan oil and lavender version. This product is amazing. A person who's never used a mask is telling you this is so amazing, and it is so convenient. So now what you have to do is, after you have shampooed your hair, you just have to keep this mask on your hair for 2 minutes and that's it. Just wash it off and your hair is going to feel super soft. If your hair is going to shine. When I tried it, I was stunned. I was like, what? Why am I not using like a mask? Why am I not using like a conditioner? But I have to admit, this product is magic, and I have been loving this throughout my January month, if I may say so. I've loved it and I have actually used a lot, but still, I've got like so much product left. I think this is going to go for another 6 months for sure, because you really need a tiny amount and it does its job, and it smells amazing. I just opened the jar and this smells really amazing. Let's move to the makeup category now. I have been loving my bare skin. I don't know how did I get so confident on just putting myself out there to the world without any makeup. But one thing that I have stuck by throughout January is this tint right here. Now, I really wanted to get my hands on the Benefit one, but that was very, very expensive. So, a lot of people said that this is like a dupe of it, and now this is their Etude Water Tint. I have applied this on my lips right now and also on my cheeks. I am someone who really don't like to layer makeup on my face like every day. Occasionally, I'm very happy to do it, but not every single day. So all I do is just put this lip tint and on my lips and on my cheeks. That's about it. And I've been loving this product. I've already used I have actually used this entire January and still it's like so much more to go. And I think uh, it's just gonna be there in my bag till December. I hopefully in December this should get over. So yes, that was my favorite makeup product for January. Next up is a body care favorite. Now I have to admit that I've been loving this thoroughly. This I've been loving from months and years, but January was a game changer. Now what I did, I took this Vaseline ka lotion and I took like a highlighter, mixed it together because this one has like perfect gel like consistency, and applied it on my hands to have that shiny glowy look. And it turned out to be so stunning because I've been looking out for a lotion which has a little shimmer, but I was not able to get it. And I was like, you know what, this is a gel like consistency, just let me add some glitter to it, I mean the highlighter, and I applied it and it glided so beautifully and it looked stunning. So this has been like a lifesaver, and I don't even know how many tubes I've used of this. I absolutely love it. Also, this was my favorite again in January 2025. Now, let's move to the food category. Now, I only have one product, honestly, because or you may not know, I am on my fertility journey. So, I have been asked not to eat a lot of stuff, which I'm not going to talk about right now, but I'm going to talk about something that I've loved and enjoyed thoroughly. If you haven't seen the Cinnamon Kitchen ka video, I would highly encourage that you go and watch that. I'm gonna pop it somewhere here or here. But I got my hands on again on this one. Now this is the dark chocolate rocks, and this has 70% dark chocolate. I had it last month. I loved it. So I ordered it again, and I ordered like two of them. One which I've already opened. I've been loving it throughout January, and I thought, let's get more of these. These are so good. Let me just open and show it to you how this exactly looks like. So this is something how it looks, and it is so yum. I am Let me just eat this. So I absolutely love this, and I've been craving chocolates and sweets lately. So I think this is a perfect, if I may say so, a perfect dessert for me because that's all I can have. So I've been loving it. So go check them out. So the next one is my favorite purchase. Now it has to be like a journal because I'm someone who writes everything down. I got my hands on this. This is by Simba Lifestyle, which is actually by a creator known as Mridul Sharma, which I really think you would all know. This year she launched my self growth playlist, which is absolutely stunning. But more than this, I'm excited about this, which came along. This is like the affirmation card, and this have like totally changed everything for me. There are a bunch of cards right here, so I just pick like a few of them, like 10 or 11 or 5 or 6, some of them, and I just read once I get up in the morning, and I feel so good about myself. So I've actually my alternate to my phone right now is these affirmations. So I don't check out my phone. Instead, I watch out, or I just want these as soon as I get up so that my mood instantly lifts up and I feel so much better throughout the day. So I think this is like a great purchase, and I don't know about the journal, but this one that she's launched, I'm so impressed. Next one is my favorite gadget. Now I have two of them. Number one is this. You would have already seen a lot of creators use this. This comes very handy when you're out and there is no light at all. This light does the job. If you see, it has a lot of light and it also has like a different color mode to it, white, warm, and then yellow. So I really, really love it. I'm just going to show it how what it does. So I'm just going to turn everything off. And if I just put this on, can you see that light on my face? So this is that stunning. So I really, really love this product. And the next one is Opus D. You would have all seen it, but this is this one right here. So this, if you're traveling and you really want to shoot your content, all you have to do is just stick it on the glass or somewhere where it gets stuck. I usually find like a glass surface so that it gets, stuck super well. So this is something that I've been loving. It's been already 2 months I've been using and still it gets stuck or stick to the glass surface. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I let me know if you want a link for this. I'm going to put that in the description or going to pin it in the comment section. Do let me know and then I'm going to put everything down. And yes, moving on, my favorite memory. Now I've attended and traveled, but my favorite memory has to be this one right here. I'm just going to post like a picture. I loved everything about this wedding that happened in Bombay. I absolutely, thoroughly enjoyed it. I was the happiest. Something got stuck. I was the happiest here, and you can actually see I thoroughly enjoyed. It was my favorite day. Like 12th of January was favorite in the year 2025, and yeah, I absolutely loved it. So that's about the video. I really hope you loved this video. It was an attempt, a different kind of attempt to see if this really works. So let's see. I thoroughly enjoyed making down because that's the memory that I have that okay, for January I loved these things. So that was about it. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love now.